How to fix complete security updates for your security of your Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your Start menu and then go to Settings. After that, go to System. Now, scroll down and then you will see an option of Troubleshoot. Go over there. Now go to Other Troubleshooters. After that, go to Windows Update and then run the troubleshoot for Windows Update. After it detects the problem, you will get to know what the problem is, and then you will also get the preferred solution for it as well. Simply apply the solution and then your problem will be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.